Though thunder and electricity generated by lightning terrify us, we safely use electricity through cables all the time. Modern living comes across different types of cables. From factories to workplaces or residences, we directly or indirectly use various sizes of cables every day, be it for electric connection or communication. Bizli Cables started its journey in 2014 with the aim of meeting our needs flawlessly. Let's take a look at how Bizli cables are made. Bizli cables are produced with a combination of high-quality raw materials, skilled workers and sophisticated automatic machines in its own factory located at Hobbyganj Industrial Park. The raw materials of cables are imported from Korea, Chile, Middle East, India, Vietnam and Thailand. Copper cathode, aluminium ingot, PVC raw materials, steel, XLPE, etc. that ensure 100% quality of Bizli cables. Firstly, 8mm copper rods and 9.5mm aluminium rods are made by melting copper cathodes and aluminium ingots. The rods are drawn on a breakdown machine and converted into wires of different diameters according to the size and type of cables, where the copper is softened by online annealing system of German technology, ensuring low voltage and high current flow. The wires are then used in the intermediate drawing machine and the multi-wire drawing machine to make the wires super thin as required. Wires capable of flawless uninterrupted power flow are taken for twisting in bunching, stranding and tubular machines. The wires are twisted and compacted according to the size and category of the cable. Bizli Cables produces house wiring cables, industrial cables, overhead conductors, communication cables, enamel wires, optical fibers and strips. Thereafter, wires are insulated with PVC, XLPE and PE in the extrusion section. The online spark test is used to ensure that there are no defects during the insulation process. PVC compound is made in own factory with imported raw materials. After conducting a quality test of the PVC compound, it insulates cables through an extruder machine. XLPE FRLS materials are used instead of PVC in insulation according to consumer demand and cable type. In addition, high-quality imported galvanized steel strips, wire tapes or aluminium wires are used for additional protection of cables that protect the wires from external injury or damage. Copper tape, mylar tape, copper braiding are used for various types of electrical protection, and glass fiber tape and high-temperature resistant PVC compound are used in the cables for fire resistance. In the Bizli Cables factory, vertical enameling machines and horizontal enameling machines are used to make SWG 12 to 24 enamel wires and SWG 25 to 40 enamel wires respectively. The continuous extrusion machine produces copper strips. At every step of the manufacturing process, the quality of the cable is verified by an experienced online QC team. The sophisticated lab with automated machines conduct conductor resistance, purity test, insulation resistance, thermal stability, density strength, high voltage test, aging test and other tests of each unit before final packaging that ensures 100% quality and safety of Bizli cables. Finally, world-class packaging is done by an auto-coiling and wrapping machine. Bizli Cables is delivered at customer points through an efficient distribution team. Wooden drums are also made by wood treatment facilities at its own wood processing unit, and heavy industrial cables are delivered to different industries. Bizli cables connect safely.